Let's talk about the front door of your home. Yes, it should be attractive and provide curb appeal, but it is the villain in your energy story if it's not also energy efficient.
To ensure that your entryway is as efficient as it can be, you need to focus on three primary things: sealing gaps, maintaining weather stripping, and ensuring proper hardware function. Let's look at all three.
Regularly inspect around your door frame, especially in winter or during windy conditions, for any drafts. Use your hand, a candle flame, or an incense stick that produces a small amount of smoke to detect the air leaks. If leaks are identified, take action. Replace or repair worn weather stripping around the door frame. And be sure to check the top, the sides, and the bottom so that you can add materials to create a tight seal. Consider installing a door sweep at the bottom of the door. These come in a number of styles and application options, from gluing or screwing one on to just sliding one onto the bottom of the door. The corners of your door frame are also a common culprit for leaks, so consider adding corner seals to guard against air leaks in these areas.
No matter what type of weather stripping you have, from metal strips to foam, it can wear out. Routinely check it for wear and tear, damage, or compression. Weather stripping materials include foam, rubber, vinyl, metal, and silicone. Choose the type that will hold up best in your climate conditions and with your particular door. Extreme temperatures may be more suited for rubber or silicone. Humid climates may be served better by vinyl materials. If you notice excessive wear or breakage, replace the material for continued energy efficiency.
A well-closing door is a more efficient door, so don't ignore your door's hardware and how it is performing. Lubricate hinges and locks with a silicone-based lubricant to ensure smooth operation and better longevity in the hardware. Check for any loose components and tighten any loose screws. Inspect threshold plates and check that the door is level. Any or all of these items could impact how the door opens, closes, and seals.
Clean the door on a regular basis. Make sure your door is kept free of dirt and debris that might interfere with how it seals. If you don't already have one, consider a cord door that's filled with insulated material and has an excellent R rating for insulation. The higher the rating, the better. This upgrade can dramatically improve efficiency. If your door has glass panels in it or to the sides of it, consider adding curtains or blinds to further insulate the entryway.
Now, if you've noticed drafts around the frame or that the adjoining wall is hot or cold to the touch depending on the weather, the wall cavities around your door may need additional insulation. This addition is a bit more involved and could require the help of a professional, but it could be worth it if you're experiencing a lot of heat transfer in these areas. Entry points in our home are an important factor in how efficiently we're maintaining the temperature in our home.
Don't let energy dollars slip out of your doorways. Get more details and advice on weatherproofing your PowerHouse at PowerHouseTV.com or AlliantEnergy.com. Why does entry door efficiency matter? The U.S. Department of Energy says that entry doors account for 18 to 20% of heat loss in an average home.